So, you're ready to start soldering your stained glass? Before you begin, let me share a few secrets every beginner should know. The kind of tips that make your soldering smooth, clean, and professional. In this video, we're working on the Sunset at Sea panel, and I'll show you how to get that perfect flow of solder and an even shine across every seam. First, preparation. Make sure every glass piece is properly foiled and the edges are smooth. Burnish the foil carefully, especially at corners, so it sticks firmly. Remember, neat foil means neat soldering. This step really matters. Neck ice, temperature control. Your soldering iron should be hot enough to melt the solder easily, but not so hot that it burns the foil or cracks the glass. And here's a key habit. Keep the tip of your iron clean. Wipe it regularly on a damp sponge. This removes oxidation and helps the solder flow evenly. A clean tip means cleaner lines and better heat transfer. Now, let's talk about the most satisfying part. The soldering itself. Move steadily along the seams without going over the same spot too many times. Keep the solder bead even, not too flat, not too thick. Smooth, glossy lines are what make your work look truly professional. Corners can be tricky. Give them a little extra time to melt evenly and connect both sides. Patience is everything here. Rushing corners usually means uneven solder buildup later.
Нужно снять типа как готово.
Положим.
Once the soldering is done, clean the panel thoroughly to remove all flux residue. Then apply black patina to the seams. It adds contrast and depth, bringing out the form of your panel. Wipe gently and polish to bring back the shine. And there it is, a clean, smooth, professional solder. Finish on our Sunset at Sea stained glass panel. Remember, good soldering is all about control, rhythm, and keeping that tip clean. What are your go-to soldering tricks? Let us know in the comments below, Neti, and see you in the next video.